How to change to Messenger dark mode on PC. Hello and welcome to One to Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can change to Messenger dark mode on PC. For that, make sure you have downloaded Messenger application on your computer. Now open your Messenger application and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, at the left bottom you will find your profile icon. Click on this profile icon of yours and there you will find preferences denoted by the settings icon. Click on this option and you will be presented with this window on your screen. Here under preferences you will find appearance option. Click on this appearance and once you click on this appearance, at the right side you will find the theme option. Here currently it is set to mirror system preferences. Click on this arrow next to it and there you will find various options. There you will find two different variety of dark themes, whether you want the simple dark or the high contrast dark. You can see the difference by clicking on them. By selecting one of these options, you will see the seamless transition of dark theme on your Messenger. So this is how you can change to dark mode on Messenger on your computer. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.